Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Tesla is going up 0.29%, 27%, that's not a lot, but we do have some good news. We have bad news as well, but mostly we have good news. I'm gonna talk about that in this video. Just first, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, subscribe, because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other stocks. Now, before talking about Tesla, we gotta understand why Tesla is doing what it's doing today. When we analyze the S&P just retested the 3810, this purple line over here, as a resistance level today, and we see some resistance, okay? So this is the most important key point on the S&P to watch right now, because if the S&P breaks the 3810, I do believe we're gonna do a mid-term reversal, bullish reversal pattern on the S&P, and we could go up a little bit more, maybe to fill this gap around the 4K. All right, so this purple line, 3810, is the key point the S&P must break. Stocks are not gonna go up as long as the S&P keeps below this resistance. The good news, on the bright side, the Nasdaq index is already breaking this resistance over here at 11.1K over here. We are already breaking it today. In my humble opinion, we must close above this price level today in order to do a decent pullback, at least to the EMA. But considering the S&P has more upside potential, I believe the Nasdaq will also fill this gap over here. Remember my friends, gaps work as magnets for the price, and so far the Nasdaq always fills the gap that appears above the price when the price gaps down, like in this case over here, okay? So we have this gap to fill. I believe we're gonna fill it, and this is quite good news for Tesla, okay? Because the indices are gonna give us the support we need. They're the basis we need to support our decision-making process in Tesla, and given the indices, they have this bullish signs going on. The only thing that is missing is the S&P breaking its resistance. But since the indices are trying to give us that impression, Tesla is likely more bullish than bearish right now, today at least. Why? Because in the 1 hour chart, we broke the 700s area yesterday, and I told you guys yesterday, well, now any pullback to the 700s would be just an opportunity to buy, or would be just a pullback. We also have the 21 EMA right now working as a support level, and Tesla is not gonna turn bearish again as long as we stay above this support level over here, okay? As long as we stay above the 700s, the bullish bias will persist in Tesla, okay? And this is good news, because the 700s work as a very nice support area. This is great, and but the only problem with Tesla right now is that, this is the bad news, we have the 21 EMA in the daily chart, and it seems it is working as an annoying resistance for us, okay? This is very annoying. Today we saw Tesla going up so nicely to 740s over here, and now we are dropping all the way down, and the price is at the EMA right now. So indeed, this is extremely annoying and gives me the impression that Tesla is not turning bullish in the midterm right now. In the 1 hour chart, yes, we are bullish, okay? We are clearly bullish, but in the daily chart, we are not quite there yet. We are doing a top sign today, and this is the most annoying situation ever, because we see this conflict between time frames, between the indices, and we see VIX below 30, which is quite good, by the way. So we see all of these conflicting signals. So I'm gonna repeat myself again today to you guys, as I told you guys yesterday. Right now, I think we should wait for better bullish structures on Tesla and on the overall market as well. Of course, if it does a very good bullish candlestick pattern over here just above the 700s, this could be an excuse to buy if you want to buy Tesla. Perfectly, because if you buy Tesla over here near the 700s, your stop loss will be below the 700s, right? Something around 695, 697, whatever you want. And the potential upside is maybe near the 800s, right? $792, $93. We have this gap, which was partially filled over here. I do believe this gap is going to be filled next, but right now we don't have any crystal clear bullish confirmation yet. I mean, we did a pullback to this area, we are bouncing back up again. This is good. It kind of looks like a bullish pivot point, but we're not quite there yet. I think we should do a better bullish candlestick pattern above this support level in order for Tesla to confirm really a bottom over here and confirm a bullish pivot point. We need to see pivot points being triggered, guys. We must see higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so this is what we must see. So if Tesla does a bottom over here higher than the previous bottom, great. Tesla will continue the bullish bias in the 1 hour chart, and it will reverse the bear trend in the daily chart as well. But if Tesla loses the 700s, I believe Tesla is going to seek lower price levels. We have this gap over here, which could work as a magnet as well, and the Tesla could easily retest the $635, or at least fill the gap around $650. Okay, so we must stay above this line over here in order to remain bullish. This line, the 700s, are the most important price area to work with on Tesla right now. It was a support level today, resistance over here, resistance over here, support 1, 2, 3 times in the past, so 700s, most important key point for us to work with. But again, I do believe mostly we have more good news than bad news. Some of you guys asked me a few days ago if I was short in Tesla because I was giving you guys a bearish impression in Tesla. Guys, Tesla in the midterm is still bearish, okay? It is still bearish. There is no denying that. However, this is perfect. Tesla is a perfect stock for those who are long-term investors but wanna add positions, buy more shares when they see the opportunity. If you are the guy who bought Tesla and don't have any other plans on adding positions, buying more shares, then you are screwed because Tesla is very, very volatile, and it's not gonna go up forever. Because if you are that kind of long-term investor, what you wanna see? You wanna see Tesla only going up without resting, right? Because this is good for you because you bought and this is it. But this is not going to happen on Tesla. Tesla is a very volatile stock. It drops sometimes. It does. In fact, it does very, very sharp drops. This one was at 1200s over here. Now it's at 700s. And if that's your case, I would say, guy, man, this channel is not for you, okay? Because Tesla is not gonna do nothing to you but stress you, make you more anxious, and you can't do anything about it. Just watch it. So I think you have other, I think you could use your time better, okay? You could, I don't know, enjoy your family, your friends, go to the beach, climb a mountain, hug a tree. I don't know, anything is better than this channel to you. Now, if you are a long-term investor and you do have plans on adding positions, on buying more shares, what do you want to see Tesla doing? Dropping. That's right, you want to see Tesla actually dropping because you know that Tesla is, fundamentally speaking, a very strong and amazing company. And the more it drops, the cheaper it gets, the more attractive it gets to you. And you will see mid-term drops, mid-term bear markets like this just as an opportunity. If that's your case, I'm here for you. We are all on the same page over here. You want to see Tesla dropping because if you see Tesla only going up, you can't add positions properly. Tesla is going to be more expensive to you as time passes. And you have to choose. What do you want? Tesla going up, or do you want a good deal? Sometimes. So Tesla is the perfect stock for that kind of investor. Okay? If you are that kind of investor, Tesla is simply perfect. We see mid-term drops like this, but in the long term, look at the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart in Tesla. Extremely bullish. A drop like this is just a pullback to the EMA, as far as I know, before it could bounce back up and recover and break the previous all-time high at 1200. Okay, so guys, I can't be bearish in Tesla, alright? I'm not bearish at all. I don't recommend being bearish in Tesla in any way. Of course, if you want to protect yourself, you want to buy some puts here and there, you want to sell some covered calls, but this is it. This is as far as I can go on Tesla. And personally speaking, I see Tesla in a good moment right now at 700s. It is at a good moment, but in the short midterm, it is still a little bit foggy to me. Okay, the situation is not that clear, so I rather prefer to see better bullish structures right now before I could say, man, Tesla is gonna turn bullish again in the short term. Okay, this is what I want. I want to see better bullish structure over here near the 700s. Meanwhile, we must watch the S&P, we must watch this key point, we must watch the 700s in Tesla, we must not lose it in order to keep bullish in the short term. And this is it. Again, I will keep you guys updated every single day in this channel, so seriously, consider subscribing and click on the like button to support me. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.